Hey everyone, do you want to set up cross-domain tracking for your website and your business? So this video is for you. In this video, I'll set up and give you the guidelines about how you can set up the cross-domain tracking setup for your business. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So why do we need cross-domain tracking? Suppose I have two websites, this website 1 and website 2. If a user came into this website 1, suppose this button is connected with website 1 and website 2. If a user click this button, they will land into website 2. Your user is same, but how many event is happening? There is 2 event is happening. GA4 does not count it twice. That's why cross-domain tracking comes into the picture. Cross-domain tracking will count this event as a 1 because user is one person. At the fastest stage, you have to make sure your both website is connected with same GA4 account. So I have connected both website with same GA4. If you don't know how can you connect your Google Analytics 4 G tag with your Google Tag Manager, this process is for you. At first, go into your Google Tag Manager, then create a new tag. Go to the Google Analytics, then Google Tag, then paste your GA4 measurement ID here and select your trigger, then all page G tag, and then add a variable with this G tag. Send page view equal to true, and save this G tag and make a submit this. Well done. So our both website is connected with the same Google Analytics. After that, you have to go into the GA4 account. You have to click the admin section, then you have to come into the data stream, and after clicking this your data stream, scroll down, configure your tag setting. You have to click this. Configure your domain, you have to click this option, configure your domain, and here will be the suggestion. I am removing that. You will see a option like this. You can add the add condition, and then you have to give your both domain with domain name here, and then I have to do a save option, save here. So after saving, your cross domain has set up in GA4. How you can verify your cross domain is set up correctly or not? You have to inspect this one, and then you have to go into the network tab, then do a refresh, GA4 cookie, type collect. This is your GA4 ID payload. They are sending page view event from here, and after that, if we go into another website, do the same process again and type the /co collect. There is another domain that's sending the same page view event here also, and the user ID is same. The underscore GA cookie will be same, so the same cookie will be recognized by this GA4, and your cross domain is successfully set up by this way. So this method you can use and set up the cross domain tracking for your website. So if you like this video, please stay with our channel, and I'll be coming up with another informative video. Till then, take care, goodbye and tata. Thank you.